Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out this product from Pixi by Petra. I love getting to try out products from Pixi by Petra. And what I have here is the Flawless Beauty Primer, Hydrating Glow Primer. Part of the EVENSKIN collection is what I think I'm gathering from when I was looking this up online. But I actually got this in my it came in my April 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but I got it from redeeming Ipsy points. So this retails for $22, but I basically got it for free by redeeming my Ipsy points. It sounds so great, and I love trying out primers. For some reason, I just think it's so fun seeing how it makes my skin and my makeup look. But this says it's a glow-enhancing primer that helps to even out skin tone, promotes skin's youthful glow, aids in balancing skin hydration, and prolongs makeup wear, packed with vitamin A and nourishing vitamin E, fragrance-free, cruelty-free. And here is how it looks. I like the packaging and seems pretty big. It's 1 fluid ounce. So it's got a squeezy tube applicator. And what I think I want to do is apply this to half of my face to start. I'm just going to take like a pea-size amount there. Just apply it with my finger. That's what the instructions said. It claims to be fragrance-free, and I'm not smelling anything from it. But so yeah, I'm just going to blend this all over half of my face to see how it really looks. Has a nice creamy texture. But yay, I am glad to see that this actually has visible, radiant glow to it. It has a little bit of almost a metallic sheen, which looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love how it looks on bare skin, because even over like my large pores, the redness on my cheeks, I really feel like it did help to kind of even that out, minimize the appearance of pores, and just add so much more glow and radiance. Like the difference of my skin without it, with it, that looks awesome. I would say it leaves like a nice moisturized texture to the skin, not overly tacky at all, although I do love a tacky primer. I would say it's kind of like a glotion, like a glowy face lotion. Oh my gosh. I really want to apply it to my whole face because I'm just loving how it's looking on my skin. Is it just an illusion, or did it also seem to maybe add a little bit of bronziness? Because it does come out in a bronzy color. And doesn't this side of my face look a little bit tanner? This could be the perfect no foundation skin makeup type product for me to wear in the summer. Okay, first impression, loving this. It's rare for me to love how a primer looks on my skin alone, because usually a primer doesn't actually look that different on my skin. It really comes down to how it looks under my foundation. But wow, this might end up being a 2-in-1, maybe even a 3-in-1 product, because I love how it looks alone. Hopefully I'm going to love it under my foundation, which is what I'll try next. But I also really want to see how it looks on top of foundation as a highlighter, liquid highlight type of product. But so, very excited about this so far. I am going to now apply my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. This is the foundation that I've been wearing every day, and I just did my usual 2 pumps, and I feel like this is a great foundation to test the primer out with, because this is a matte foundation that it's a beautiful foundation on its own, but when my skin is dry, you can tell that my skin is dry with this foundation on, so I figured it would be great to be able to see the difference in hydration And I'm also really excited to see if there's any difference in the amount of glow with this matte foundation as well. And it's the foundation that I'm very familiar with, that I've been using every day. So I applied the foundation to the side of my face without the primer to start. That way I wouldn't accidentally mix any of the primer in with it. But now let's go ahead and apply it to the primed side of my face. I think it's applying really nicely, easily on top of the primer. Doesn't seem to be all that different. But I feel like I can definitely notice, especially on my cheeks, such a difference in the radiance of my skin. And hopefully you can see this on camera. So here's the side without the primer versus the side with the primer. It almost doesn't look like a matte foundation anymore. It kind of almost looks like a hydrating foundation, almost more like a natural finish rather than a matte finish. Whereas without this glowing primer, it's a very velvety matte finish, which I love, but I also love a glow. So combining the two, oh, I think this is such an amazing combination. It definitely makes the foundation look even smoother, even healthier. It just really gives that lit from within glow. Like, I am amazed with how my skin and my makeup is looking with this glowy primer. Seriously, like, I am blown away by this. It really does exactly what I was hoping for, what it claims, and it really might be one of my favorite primers that I own now because it makes the skin look incredible. The pores are looking so much smoother, almost completely invisible, and I feel like that healthy shine to the skin also just gives this smooth appearance, whereas I can definitely see my pore texture on the side without it. And then where I have dry patches, which is on my chin here, my nose is a little bit dry as well, the side with the primer is definitely more moisturized, like no visible dryness at all. Whereas here I can already see a little bit of dryness coming through. So wow, this primer is amazing. Amazing on its own, amazing under foundation. And now for the fun of it, let's see how it looks on top of foundation. So I'm just going to take a teeny little bit and just with my fingers, gonna kind of warm it up in between my fingers. And let's see if I can add a little glow to the cheek. Oh my gosh, are you serious? It looks amazing. It looks so good as a liquid highlighter. A little bit more natural of a highlight, but definitely visible, glowy, radiant, completely smooth on top of my skin, on top of the foundation. Oh my gosh. I feel like, I mean, maybe this product does get a lot of hype and I just haven't really seen it, but I think that this product deserves all of the hype. It is so good. Look at my skin right now. It just looks so good. It looks so radiant, smooth, moisturized, incredible. Oh my gosh, this primer. I love it. I can absolutely see myself repurchasing this as well because it gives me the glow that I want, the smoothness that I want over my large pores, the hydration that I need for the dry patches of my skin. just everything. Oh my gosh, I get so happy when I find a product that is just absolutely amazing. And then, of course, I really want to know if other people find it as amazing as I do. So if you have tried this out, let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.